Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shannon Glam, and today we're going to be doing a very Wednesdays we wear pink Easter vibes makeup. My inspo is actually Desi Perkins because this look here, I use it for a look that I recreated from her Instagram, which is also another video that I'll be uploading. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and let's just get right into the video. Guys, I have to admit that I'm really excited because today we're gonna go in with a goodie but an oldie, definitely the Modern Renaissance palette. With my soft ochre, just to prep the lid. With a flat brush, or you could go in with your finger, really. Let's be honest. What are you gonna do for Easter? Do you guys have like any family traditions? The first color that I use as a transition color is golden ochre, and now I'm gonna use the burnt orange. And the reason it's not on camera is because I thought it was on, but it wasn't. So in the same exact area that you place your transition color, you're gonna place the burnt orange as well, just a little bit lower. How many of you think the Modern Renaissance palette, literally the best palette that Anastasia Beverly Hills came out with? I love this palette. When I first got this palette, I used to use this all the time, like all my weddings, all my Sweet 15s, everything. Before this, I was using drugstore palettes, so I think this was like one of my first high-end palettes. Holds a little sentimental value, you know? Either Love Letter or Venetian Red. I'll go on with a little bit of Love Letter first, okay? I'm gonna concentrate on this corner. This palette literally is like back to basics, back to the beginning. Do the same thing on the other eye as well. I'm just gonna go on the outer part of the lid and then bring it like this. Kind of like a little V or C, if you will. Remember, we want to be the baddest Easter bunny in the living room. How many of you actually go Easter egg hunting? I kind of wanted to do like an Easter egg hunt adult version this year. Put money, gift cards, stuff like that inside of the Easter eggs. I think that would be fun. Why do you have to stop having fun just because you're an adult? I'm gonna put a little bit of Real Gar because I just want a little bit of an orange tint. Bring it all the way to the inner corner because we're gonna cut the crease, so I just want a little bit of pink in that area. We're basically gonna create a line here around that area. You can pick any concealer. The concealer that I'm gonna choose for today is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm gonna start on the inside. Look up, and the area that it hit there, we're gonna bring it all the way up. I'm gonna use Vermeer, which is very shimmery. It's cute, and it's like everything that we want right now. With a flat brush, and place it on the exact area where I placed the concealer. This is the Stila Peachy Sheen. The exact same area that I placed the concealer is where I'm gonna place this shimmery liquid eyeshadow. You could slide it and I guess like pat it down as you do it. Slide and pat, slide and pat. In order to bring this look together, I need to just create a little bit of shadow in the corners. Take a little bit of red ochre and cypress umber. And just take some of that Love Letter and place it a little bit on top of the glitter too, just to like blend it out. We'll go with the Colorina. I love this product. So this is the Colorina Tattoo Eyeliner. They actually gave this to me a while ago and I never used it, and one day I was just looking through all my stuff and I'm like, let me give this a try. Let me give this a try. Is that I fell in love with it. I'm gonna use Sky Rise mascara, which is for lengthening. Now the usual, my Tom Ford primer, which has lasted me way too long, honestly. I still have all of this left. I'm gonna place it throughout my entire face. Ooh, it's cold. Let it dry just a little bit, guys, because if you automatically place the foundation on top right now without letting it dry, it's like, what's the point? They're all gonna just mix together instead of like layering it, primer, then foundation. So just let it dry out a little bit. The foundation I'm gonna use is the Estee Lauder Perfectionist Youth Infusing Serum Makeup Foundation. Ooh, this is cold. Why is it so cold? It was literally in my room. Bring it down because it doesn't matter how close to your skin color the foundation may be, it's never going to be the same. So just bring it as low as possible. The same thing goes for your foundation, just wait for it to dry just a little bit. And then you're going to go in with your concealer. Okay, wait like, I don't know, 30 seconds is pretty good. Been using lately and have been loving is my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Place it in the high points of the face, any areas that you just want to bring light to or brighten. And the beauty blender that I used before is what I'm gonna use now to just blend it out. Get all up in that corner, girl. It's Easter and you never know who could pop up at Abuelita's house, okay? So make sure you blend it all in. Guys, I asked you guys to let me know what setting powder I should use in the last video and no one commented a setting powder that I should use. I'm just gonna go on my little sample size, the Kat Von D one. I really wanna try the Cover FX one, but I haven't even tried it out to see if it's good. NYX Cosmetics foundation stick to create that contour. Off to my Benefits Hoola bronzer. Usually I wait, but I could just go ahead and do it right now. I'm gonna do my nose contouring with the same exact product. Going with my blush. Before, I used to use this brush just to swipe away the setting powder. I did use it on this video here. I love the way it looks, so now I've been using it since that video. Kind of just like melts it right into the cheek. And I'm bringing back an oldie but a goodie. The Master Chrome Maybelline highlighter. While it's baking, guys, I'm going to use my Modern Renaissance palette again. Finish off this look with the colors that we're going to place underneath, okay? I could use burnt orange first, and the colors that we're using are the colors that we used on the top area. So just go with burnt orange. I'm going to go in with Love Letter. Concentrate it on the outer parts. A little closer to the waterline. If you want, you can put a little bit of Cypress Umber in the corner. Just like you're creating the smoky eye in this area, you want to try to create a smoky eye in the lower area. And if you find this part difficult underneath to use more than one color and use like 2 or 3 colors, if you have a thin brush, then I definitely believe that it will be a lot easier for you guys. Now with my NYX 2 timer, I'm going to place a little bit of black liner in the waterline. I'm going to just find some eyelashes, pop them on, and we'll be right back. As you see, guys, I placed the eyelashes, the Ardell eyelashes, the double wispies. We're almost done. I'm just gonna take off that setting powder. I'm gonna use my Sephora lip liner. This is in the color Deep Beige. I found this by NYX Cosmetics. It's the Plush Gel Lipstick and the color is actually called Dime Piece. This was part of the makeup that I got sent to me for Christmas. Super pink. So if you guys know me, you know that I just need a little bit of gloss. And the gloss that I have here is the Celeste by Buxom Cosmetics. Place a little bit of that and we're good to go. That is it. That is it. That is all you need to be the baddest bunny on Easter. How to be the baddest bunny. You're welcome. That is it for the video, guys. Happy Easter to everyone. May you guys just celebrate it with your family members. Eat a lot of food. It's sad that we need holidays to bring the family together, but I'm not saying that we shouldn't have holidays either, you know? I definitely love celebrating. Make sure you guys just give your family members a big hug and a big little kiss. Bendición, bendición. And I'll see you guys super soon. Remember to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, share. Bye!